स्पॉटलाइट हो गया। इस पे कर्सर नहीं आ रहा है।
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, we have to, ma'am, we have to turn backside our camera and show our homework.
Wait, I am telling you what you have to do. Everybody is present? Arushi Aparna. Ayush. Debayan and Nilanjan, where are they?
Ma'am, I have seen. I am there.
You are there? Just turn on your cameras, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
And
One minute, ma'am.
and write your name, beta. Your name is not appearing over here. It's Redmi and Galaxy. So write your name.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have friends.
What, beta? Okay, Prapti.
Ma'am, I have friends.
Prapti is there. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
ये question अभी लिख दीजिए आप.
who is Redmi? Debayan. Okay. And where is Nilanjan? Nilanjan? Still not joined? Yes, Ayush, what happened, beta? Present, okay.
Ma'am, we have to write this question now only.
Wait. I am telling you what you have to do. No need to rush. Okay? You have lot of time. So Nilanjan will join us later. Something you know about Devayan, you know how? Where is he?
Yes, ma'am.
He will join us?
Ma'am, you have given your test.
I am asking you, you know about Nilanjan. Where is he?
No, ma'am, I don't.
You don't know. Just ask him, tell him there is a class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And see this. Just concentrate over here right now. Shall I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
For everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Deban, I think he is calling him. Ayush? Okay, fine. So we will start. Okay? Are you all okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Help.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be safe. Take care of yourself. And just keep the cameras on so that I should know how you are talking to me, because it's a completely black, so it doesn't look good. Good. Now I can see all of you. Deban,
Yes, ma'am. I have seen his mother said that he is drawing picture on scale.
Okay, fine. So just you turn on your camera. Okay. So now see what you have to do. You know we have completed nutrition in plants. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Yes, we are done with it. So what you have to do is right now I am giving you some questions. Okay. You are just keep your mics off. Devan and Ayush, keep your mics off, beta. Okay, fine. Now it's peaceful. So I have given you some of the questions over here. What you have to do is you can solve these questions on your own. Okay? What you have to do is you have to solve these questions on your own. And if you face difficulty in answering it, you can use your textbooks. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But listen, no Google, no internet. Understood? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Only your textbooks. You can take help only from the textbook. And still, if you don't get the answer from your textbook, then what you have to do is just wait. I will solve after some time everything, whatever doubts will be there. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Good. Now see this. You have four pages. One, then you have, just wait.
Ma'am, you have to write 18 hours 40.
Let me, I will tell you. See, second page, third page. Now see here, on first page, you have 15 fill in the blanks. Okay? Then you have again 1 to 11 fill in the blanks. Then you have 1 to 15 fill in the blanks. Okay? Is it clear to you? 15, 11 and 15. Okay. So what you have to do is first of all, you just have to write the answers in your notebooks. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Write the question.
Wait. Listen first. Listen everything. What you have to do is you have to write the answers in your notebook. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the question, write the answer. If you don't know the answer, find it from your textbooks. Still, if you don't find it, you will let me know after you finish everything. In between, no asking will be there. Understood this? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now see here. Three pages. Page 1, 15. Fill in the blanks. Page 2, 11. Page 3, again 15. And page 4 are one sentence answers are there. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to write the answers in your notebook. Will you be able to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
आयुष देबान हो जाएगा. Okay, fine. So this is what you have to do. But any doubts will be there. What you will do? You will be asking me only after finishing everything. Understood this?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
okay, and listen.
Okay, ma'am.
If the time gets finished off, if the class is getting off, and if we don't have the time to discuss, don't worry. In the next class, we can discuss all this. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good. So this is what you
And
have.
ma'am, the homework which we have done, we have.
Wait, I will ask for your homeworks also. Okay, first you just do this. I will see how much you have gone through your textbooks. Okay, and listen, no cheating, no nothing will be done. Okay, once you will see say that you are done with the pages, then I will change the second page. But it is not like it's only you. Okay, so you have to wait for a while for others. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
good. And if you have some problem regarding this, you can have that screenshot wala system, something is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can have it if you feel like that you need some more time to read, then you can have that and save it so that you can read according to your speed. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So shall I show you each and every page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So this is the first one. If you want to save it, save it. Done.
Ma'am, it's not clear. Ma'am, it is blurry.
It's blurred.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, can you zoom it?
I can't zoom it, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear.
But wait. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am, little bit hazy. Hazy. Yes, ma'am, it's blurred.
You cannot read anything?
No, ma'am, it's clear. Ma'am, we can read.
Can read?
Yes, ma'am, it is not so much. We can read it.
Shall I show you another one?
No, we will write.
No, no questions. Only answers.
No, we will write now only.
Hmm. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Save it for yourself. Ayush, are you doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear.
Save it. This is page 3.
Ma'am, we have total 3 pages or 4 pages.
4. Fine.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So you shall begin with first. I think only here only you are facing little bit of problem, right?
Ma'am, little bit, but we can manage it.
Okay, fine. So if you are done with this, you can write the answers and you can use only your textbooks. No cheating at all with the Google and all that. Okay?
Ma'am, we will draw it now only.
Yes, yes. Begin.
Ma'am, question also.
I said only answers in the notebook.
I will copy.
Only answers in your notebooks. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Good. I will join you after 10 minutes. I will see how you are doing it. In between, nobody will talk anything. Yeah, if you want to say something, then just let me know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hello? 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 Can anyone hear me?
Yes, beta.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, question number 5. Proteins contain.
That is
Yes,
what
ma'am,
I,
I have also got this
same
question.
thing. No worries.
Ma'am, just it is acid. Ma'am, is it acid?
Just
Number
wait.
5.
We will solve everything, whatever your doubts, keep it, and we will solve them only after you finish all the questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You finish first of all. Shall I change? Shall I change the question page?
Ma'am, just wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. You continue.
No, ma'am, 5 minutes.
Okay, it's 6:34 right now. I will change it at 6:44. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Go. Ma'am, hello. Not yet. English copy भी है huh? English copy भी है in notebook. Biology English copy. Notebook. Okay, okay. Biology copy. Thanks.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I'm legendary.
Wait, what happened?
We'll answer right now.
Wait, one by one we will start. Okay, this page. Ayush, you have doubts?
One last number three.
15th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash
I'm
plants.
right now.
What happened?
So now, join now.
Okay, Nilanjan, you have joined right now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. No worries. You continue with your work. Please turn your mic off, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Only I am talking to Ayush right now. Ayush, you have doubt in the last one, right? Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
you have doubt in the 15th one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then Arushi,
Yes, ma'am.
your doubts?
Yes, ma'am. In 5 number question.
Question number 5. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
amino acid.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? See, all answers you want.
Then I had a doubt in question number 2.
6. Farmers enrich the soil by adding
And it will be my manner and
Fine.
excellent.
See, green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. They are called
Autotroph.
the food synthesized by the plant is stored as. Is it okay?
Ma'am, I have written glucose. Yes,
It's
ma'am, I have starch.
actually it is formed as glucose, but it is stored in the form of starch. Understood this?
Then what will we write after glucose?
Starch. Listen to me carefully. What I am saying, storage is done in the form of.
And five number.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait.
And storage is done at the
Form of starch.
start.
And formation is done in the form of glucose. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
During photosynthesis, plants take in.
Carbon dioxide freeze or release oxygen.
Understood? Okay. Then fifth, protein contains amino acids.
Amino acid.
Farmers add manures and fertilizers. Okay?
The five number you are divided with amino acid.
Just wait. Now is it seen?
Amino acids.
Yes.
Okay.
Done? Plants cannot.
Seven number question. Leaf. Answer.
In most of the green plants, photosynthesis takes place in. Okay, fine. Leaf also can be the answer, but chloroplast will be the correct answer. You can write both of them.
And what you have written?
Chloroplast.
Last.
Huh.
And the second one is leaf.
Leaf. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Plants are unable to use atmospheric
Nitrogen.
nitrogen. Green patches in stagnant water are aquatic.
Organisms. Algae. Answer. Algae. Organisms. Algae.
Algae.
Huh?
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Last time I have shown you the slides, na?
Ma'am, how it will be
Why it will be iodine? You have one experiment in your textbook. I think you have gone through it.
What's that?
Read,
Ma'am, I have written chlorophyll. So the iodine.
test. You have to test it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Sorry. Okay, the occurrence of what is tested by the presence of. You are correct. You can also write the answer.
Green color.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Light and chemical. I'm completed.
Done.
And can the last one be leguminous?
Plants.
Ma'am, legumes.
It's okay. That's legumes. Leguminous plants. That will be the correct terminology for it. Can you see question number 14?
Ma'am, only five numbers my wrong.
Very good.
Ma'am, my all are correct.
Great. Shall I give you the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's 6:53 right now. I will join you at 7 o'clock. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, till then.
Ma'am, it is one word also.
Yes, filling the blanks. Same filling the blanks. Okay?
एक ठीक है। It's recording. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Fine. So first, any doubts?
No, ma'am. अरे
Fine. First answer is
chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Ma'am, first answer will be chlorophyll. Honestly.
small
Ma'am,
pores
second
on.
will be tomato. Tomato. Third is nitrogen. Ma'am, third will be nitrogen. And fourth will be saffron. Fifth will be parasite. Parasite. And sixth will be epithet. Sixth will be Hostelria.
Okay. Where you got this word?
Ma'am, actually it was like that is not sorry, that is good and I was knowing it. I
Okay.
knew it.
Okay.
Ma'am, seven number I don't know.
Good.
Ma'am,
So,
seven number I don't know.
centrally located spherical structure in cell is
Ma'am, six number question में कौन
6 number.
question में कौन understand?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Host.
I also.
See this. आपको कास्काटा मैंने बताया था ना कि कैसे वो होस्ट में घुस जाता है इंजेक्शन बना के और सारा न्यूट्रिशन खा जाता है बताया था
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो वो जो स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर है नीडल जैसा वो अंदर जाके ऐसे बड़ा हो जाता है उस स्ट्रक्चर को हम बोलते हैं हॉस्टोरिया ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
किडनी shaped cells which guard each stoma are
Heart cells.
a jelly-like substance present between plasma membrane and nucleus is known as cytoplasm.
Ma'am, it is cytoplasm or cytoplasm?
Cytoplasm.
Okay.
The plant on which a parasitic plant climbs is known as
Good.
very good.
Uh-huh.
A thin outer boundary with which a cell is enclosed.
I don't know. But it's all.
Yes, cell wall.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, in the last class, ma'am, my network was not good. But it does the structure of cell and so in the last.
Okay, I think you get the recordings on the app. You can see over there. Okay,
But where can I see?
that will be given in your WhatsApp group. It will be messaged, and there you can see the video. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give you the next?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they have to write only answer.
Only answers. It is 7:06. 7 o'clock with 6 minutes. ठीक है? I will come at 7:12 or 7:14, 7:15.
Okay.
Okay? Done? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Chlorophyll containing structure in plant cell are
Chloroplast.
very good. Chlorophyll helps the plant to
Intake of sunlight.
what?
It helps the plant intake of sunlight.
Intake of sunlight. Very good.
For absorption of sunlight.
Okay. For absorption of sunlight to remain green. Chlorophyll helps the plant to remain green. It can absorb sunlight, and you can also write it makes the plant green. Sorry. Saprotrophs.
Okay, ma'am. Photosynthesis.
Others, are you there?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The food synthesized by the plant is stored as.
Start.
Very good. Food factory of phototrophic plant are there.
Leaf.
Very good. Mistletoe is an example of
Sand. Parasite.
parasitic plant. Most plants and unicellular are
Autotrophs.
autotroph. Insectivorous plants are.
Insect.
Okay, fine. No worries. Just don't rush. I think others have not completed. This is a homework we will discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave the meet.
But I have a problem in house number 15.
Wait. I think others have not completed beta. Don't rush. Let them finish. We will discuss in the next class.
No, ma'am, it's completed.
Okay? We will see these questions again in the next class. Will it be okay for you? Okay? We have another page also that we will discuss in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, let me take this.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This page, let others study it slow and you don't have to finish it off anyhow. Take your time, read your textbook so that you can wind it up. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We will discuss this page number 3 and page number 4 in the next class. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you,
Good.
ma'am.
Good. So you can leave the meeting.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, beta. Have a nice day to you too. It's a good night now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So good night, all of you. Day will be tomorrow.
Good night, ma'am.
Hmm.
তো দাঁড়াতে হবে জুমের রেকর্ডিংটা ইয়ে হচ্ছে
দাঁড়া, এখানে তো একটু বাকি আছে।